If you're a mom that is fasting, whether you're doing intermittent fasting, you're doing Ramadan fasting, you're fasting, whatever reason you're fasting for, believe me, this video is for you. Bismillah. Halfway past Ramadan, Alhamdulillah, I believe this is a perfect time to share my fasting and breastfeeding experience as a new mom. When we started Ramadan, I was really nervous. I thought that as soon as she latched on my breast, I thought I would just be starving. But Alhamdulillah, that's not the case, surprisingly. I've learned so much about how my milk supply reacted to this body changing, and I'm here to share everything with you because I want you to be confident in yourself whenever you decide to start on this journey. If you're a mom that is fasting, whether you're doing intermittent fasting, you're doing Ramadan fasting, whatever reason you're fasting for, believe me, this video is for you. Let's talk about everything: nutrition, energy, milk supply, weight loss, exercise, and spirituality. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is rasheedahyinusa. I share everything around health, motherhood, faith, lifestyle, and more. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at Live Learn with Shida, or just type in rasheedahyinusa on all platforms, including TikTok and home. Let's start with the surprising start, the first few days. Guys, this is so funny because while I was thinking about embarking on this journey, I was like, I thought that as soon as I put my baby on, I was going to be hungry, but thankfully it was a bliss. The first few days it was smooth until around, maybe let's just say an hour before iftar, which was still manageable. At least I would feel hungry, but it was not hunger that I could not push through. I could still manage through the end of the day, alhamdulillah. One thing I will tell you is, it's all in your head. If you think that you cannot do it, you can do it. You are stronger than you think, believe me. This is coming from somebody who has thought about the worst case scenario. I'm just like, if my body can no longer take it, I'm just probably going to stop, or maybe I might be breastfeeding and just faint. I was just thinking about a lot of things, but alhamdulillah, women, moms, girls, we around the world, girls, we are stronger than we believe. Okay, you just believe that you can do it. Program your mind to think that you can actually achieve it, then believe me, you're going to achieve it. Whatever reason you're fasting for, I pray that Allah gives you the strength to navigate this period and make it easy for you. Type amin in the comment section. If you're fasting during Ramadan, it's not too late. If you're fasting currently, drop a message for me in the comment section down below. Let's talk. How is fasting with you? How is it going? Did it affect you in any way? Let me know in the comment section below. To the most important question: did fasting affect my milk supply? Drum roll. Well, the answer is not really. My overall milk supply remained okay until around evening, where I will be low on milk supply, and that's understandable because my baby has nursed multiple times throughout the day, so it's expected that the milk supply will be low, considering that I am not refilling my body until iftar. You get what I mean? So I wouldn't say it really affected it, because by the time I eat my iftar, the milk, I'm probably back on sufficient milk supply that my baby needs, and that will take us through the morning again until I eat my son. So here is my advice: if you're thinking about your milk supply at this point in time, I would say that you should drink sufficient amount of water. Personally, I take nothing less than 2 cups of water at sahur, and I focus on, like I mentioned earlier, like I've mentioned in my previous video, I focused on nutrient-based meal that can keep me fuller throughout the day. Food that are rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. I'm having, let me show you guys quickly. I'm having oatmeal with, I have sufficient energy throughout the day. And I would also say that you monitor your baby. If you see any signs of dehydration, make sure you consider adjusting your routine. Or if you're like me that wants to introduce formula, go ahead and do that as well, so that your baby doesn't feel deprived. Well, another thing I also did was to introduce formula to my baby. Time to ease into combination feeding, because girl, I'm about to get my life back. I need to go back to school. PhD is waiting. It has been on hold for some time, but thankfully I have an amazing supervisor who is really considerate and understands this period of my life. but the truth is I need to get back to my regular routine. So I'm trying to ease into combining it with formula. Thing is, as much as I am saying all this, my baby is not accepting it. She has not been accepting it, but I understand that transitioning into other meals for baby can take a while, and I'm here for it. I'll keep introducing it to her until she accepts it. That's the goal. We're not going to stress ourselves. Don't stress, mamas. Don't stress yourself. We're going to ease gradually into introducing formula or any other food you want to introduce to your baby. If you've been able to introduce formula to your baby, please share from your wealth of knowledge. Share with us in the comment section. How was this for you, and how were you able to do this with ease? Let us know in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to hear from you. Now let's talk about weight loss and energy level. How do I feel now, guys? When I told you that fasting is a perfect time to ease into postpartum weight loss, you think I was joking? I feel good. I don't know how to say this with humility, but I feel good in my body. Like, I feel genuinely good in my body, alhamdulillah, and I'm so grateful for that. The power of fasting cannot be underestimated. Fasting helps your body to go into fat burning mode immediately, be it Ramadan fasting, intermittent fasting, whatever form of fasting you're doing. Believe me, you are going to be burning those fats, and you will also be healing your postpartum body. Fasting is done right, believe me, it will help you with bloating, it will help you with healing, it will help with your energy level, it will also help with your digestion. But here is one thing I would always say: if you feel like you're feeling weak or is impacting your milk supply in any way, please don't put too much pressure on yourself. Take a pause. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? When you're done exclusively breastfeeding your baby, whenever you wake up is your morning, okay? But if you can do it, I'm here to cheer you on. Keep going. Who else is using Ramadan as a reset? Let me know in the comment section down below, because I pray that Allah bless us with good health and strength to keep going. Now let's talk about my workout routine. I kept it really simple. Keeping it really simple. I am super proud of myself because with workouts, I have been super consistent than I thought. Guys, a pat in the back. A pat in the back. If you're doing that for yourself, give yourself a pat in the back. If you're being consistent with your workouts as you have promised, it might just be the simplest form of exercise. Give yourself a pat in the back and hug yourself. Even though I don't work out every day, my 15 minutes low impact workout has been a game changer. Here is my tip for any mom that is working out while fasting. Go for a low impact workout. There are a plethora of them on YouTube. I'll leave a link to the one I have been doing. I've been it since the beginning of Ramadan, and this has been helpful. You can go for walking, you can do stretches, yoga, whatever it is you're comfortable with, or just simple indoor workouts. Another reason, choose a perfect time for you. It can be before suhoor or before iftar, some minutes before iftar or after iftar. Personally, I have chosen before suhoor, and that has been working for me. In fact, it has made me, as soon as I finish my tahajjud prayer, I go work out immediately, then I enjoy my suhoor. That has been perfect for me. Don't forget to stay hydrated and refuel your body properly. Now let's go to spiritual growth during Ramadan. Guys, I will be honest with you, I've not been my 100. This is not even 100%, but I've been enjoying the little time that I have to, while attending to my baby or the boys. I have been conscious about supplicating while attending to them. Guys, that has been very helpful. I've been carving out time to read the Quran at different times of the day. For instance, after prayers, I can just set out 10 minutes to quickly go through the Quran, and that has been working for me. Also been listening to lots of podcasts. I think everybody's on the Ustaz Umar Sulaiman's podcast. Everybody, the Yakin Institute. I've been listening to a plethora of podcasts while attending to my baby, or just doing my things throughout the day. And I also do the morning and evening askar. What I've just learned to understand with this phase of my life is that it's not about perfection but consistency. Taking out small time during my day to do all these things have made me feel good within myself. Moms, I would advise that you don't put so much pressure on yourself. Give yourself the grace is this season of your life. Know that Allah sees all your efforts, and Allah crowns all your efforts with lots of barakah. Understand that there is ibadah in even the tiniest, the smallest act of ibadah. with us how you've been balancing this period of your life with fasting. Let us know in the comment section. We are all here to learn from one another. Comment below what has been your biggest challenge during this month of Ramadan, and what has been your win as well. I want to know. Share with us in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next one, inshallah. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Live Learn with Shida. I'll put it up here or in the description down below. I'll see you in my next one. Assalamu alaikum.